35 to 45, so you got it down pretty good.
Yeah. What you got? What you filming for?
We just go out and record in public.
On my card? Ah! Let me give you my card.
Located out here?
That's what we do, man. We go out and record police for the most part. We do cop watching.
Oh, okay. I'll watch that on YouTube.
We do First Amendment audits and stuff like that. Yeah, so we go out and hold them accountable. You ever see that channel right there?
I don't know if I've seen this. I just like literally watched one. I think he's out of he was in another state though.
Oh, another state?
Yeah, but I was watching, checking it out.
Man.
Yeah, I think he was out of Texas or something.
Oh yeah.
Was it Mexican Padilla?
Yeah.
Well, Mexican Padilla, that's my boy, man.
Yeah.
That's my boy.
That's awesome,
Yep.
man. Yeah, I was watching that. I was like, man, I didn't even know it was like a lot of people who do that. That's good.
When he says that's his boy, he really means that's his son.
Nah, that's not my son. This is my son right here. But Mexican Padilla, man, he's been around for a good little minute. And he's actually gone through a lot because of this. So, but we've been around here, we was recording police, but we just stopped by the Fox, we're like, let's go get some video.
They gave us static. The guy, we're on a sidewalk filming the building, the security guard came out and says, you can't film this building. And
he was wrong.
He was wrong.
That's awesome, though.
Always keep your camera, man. It can protect you and somebody else.
That's right. Use it. If you see something, use it. Definitely. You might save someone. You show everybody, man, and make sure they empower themselves.
It's important.
You know what? And I was just watching some guys who took a video to the men's correctional jail, and they went into the lobby, and it's a public lobby, so they were trying to kick them out.
Oh yeah, that happens.
Scare them with jail, and then I guess the one of the main sheriffs came down, was like, "Oh, you guys are recording? All right, have a nice day." And he called all the sheriffs.
That's probably one of our videos.
Yeah. I've been watching that lately, though. It's crazy.
He's got a pretty good sized channel, man.
News Now California is my channel, man.
Yep.
What is it called?
News Now California.
Okay, and that's on YouTube?
Yep.
Okay.
You'll find him through my channel too. We're always together.
Oh, okay.
So yeah.
How long you been doing it?
I've been doing about a little bit over a year.
Yeah. What about you?
Me too.
Oh, okay. Any reason that made you guys want to do it?
You know what, man? It's from sea to shining sea. People are tired of police misconduct, and they're picking up cameras and recording. That's it. Pretty simple, pretty basic. Just holding them accountable, you know.
My reason was different. I'm very lonely and introverted. So I had to get out and talk to people.
Yeah, he's funny, man. You're gonna love this channel, dude.
Yeah, I'm gonna definitely check it out.
All right, man. We'll don't take up too much more of your time, man. Nice to meet you. You too. What's your name?
Major.
Major.
Man, we met another Major today.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, his name was Rick Major.
Rick Major.
Yeah, he said he was in the safety officer for the maintenance yard for Santa Monica. But he said he wasn't related to Lee Majors. The $6 million man.
I wish I was related to him.
Oh yeah, me too. I wish I was related to anybody. My parents left me at a bus stop. All right, we'll let you go, Major.
All right,
Have a good one,
brother.
Have a good one, man.
Be well.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You guys getting on the bus with Major?
No, we're
Okay, well he's a good guy.
I'm sure he is.
He's very nice. You guys almost have the identical shirts. Pretty close. All right.
News Now California is real funny, man. He likes to play around, and sometimes you don't know if he's serious or not, and then you just think about it, you just bust up laughing. He's hilarious. But News Now California is also just a down to earth, very nice person. He buys me lunch when he doesn't have to. He's just a good dude. He appreciates me coming out here. He appreciates what I do, and I appreciate what he does, and that's that. There's nothing to it.